Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set double tap to turn off the screen your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to advanced features. And here select motions and gestures, and here you have one option double tap to turn off the screen. Just turn on this button so that you can double tap on empty space on home screen to or lock screen to turn off your screen. See here, this is home screen. I double tap on empty space in home screen and screen is turned off. Okay, on lock screen itself you can do it. Here this is lock screen, and if you double tap on the lock screen, it will be turned off. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily, once again I am checking on lock screen. This is lock screen. Double tap on empty space on lock screen. Yes, screen is turned off. In this way you can easily set double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.